Hapreng kajing knyum kajing persyak ke bubun ya kajing penjari ya ka section chisma sau Crpc haka Sngi Ñiew kata ka Sautrik ujali ajar sau u deputy commissioner ya East Khasi district u SC Sadul ong baka sarkar kam Khang ya kini gunu kajing Lehkmen deke ikwa ka Khang kalong ya kajing ya tajma khnang ban lai kunu nu kiri shum ka buha kata ka Sngi ke balaban thau jing kulumar kam arpar uang kalong kajing Khang ini kajing penjari ya ka chisma sau ba kajing Khang ya panyai tajma kadai amar ba lai na kajing thengkali namar ba ka shlong Kembarang mata kala jurpal ka jing kali ba kawan ra ka jing ya ki paj ba usadu lapan pau ya kene Haba keren bar ka Lehkmen Assembly TV.
District administration is not against any kind of celebrations. We are only prohibiting the processions and rallies from the counting center for two aspects. One is about the maintenance of the law and order. So there is every chance that this kind of processions, long processions from this counting center to the respective locations will have chances of being disturbed by miscreants or mischief mongers, and this will create a lot of law and order problems. Second is that traffic. So as it is in the middle of the Shillong and that is a working day on the day of counting, it may lead to a lot of traffic jams in the last assembly elections also.